Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickFunnels easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the ClickFunnels website. Click on the Start Free Trial button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in your personal details on the registration form. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Review ClickFunnels subscription options presented on the next page. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Enter your payment information as prompted. Once your payment is successfully processed, you will be taken to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. To create your first funnel, click on the Build a Funnel button. Choose a goal for your funnel from the provided options. Follow the prompts to customize your funnel name and settings. Select a template that aligns with your business objective. Click on Edit to start customizing your funnel pages. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, or videos. Adjust settings for each element to match your branding. Preview your funnel to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, click on the Save option to secure your changes. To publish your funnel, click the Publish button. Copy the URL provided for sharing your funnel online. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and created your first funnel with ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.